everyone out there, do not jump to conclusions. It can lead to a whole lot of trouble. Just the other day, I spent half an hour calming down a woman who jumped to conclusions. She said that she heard screaming coming from this van. And it took me the longest time. I had to explain to her that no, it wasn't screaming. It's just my friend listening to some music. You know how that some of that hard rock music can be. And that still didn't convince her, because he said she saw a weasel in the window of the van. Yes, she saw a weasel of a phone company guy in the window of the van screaming. And I explained, no, it was the music, and the man she saw was helping my friend put in some new speakers, and he was tired and he was yawning. That's what she saw, and that's what she heard. And that's why she heard all that drilling. They were installing the wires for the new speakers. Please, guys, just do not jump to conclusions. And don't call me up at 424-229-0911 feeling sorry for that weasel of a phone company guy, because he censors little old ladies whose heart medicine gives out and they call 911. He censors their calls. Don't think he does it? Call me at 424-229-0911. I'm John Milton Brady, religious prisoner here in LA.